A lot of people are involved in affiliate marketing, but very few people actually make money from it. Not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because most people misunderstand how the money is actually made. They think it's about posting links everywhere. They think it's about spamming people. They think it's about getting lucky with one viral video. Some of them even think it's bring one person to bring another person, but that's not how it works. So in this video, I'm going to break down how money is actually made in affiliate marketing. Before we start, drop ready in the comment section if you are ready to learn how affiliate marketing can actually make you money. If you've been following me, then you already know something. Affiliate marketing is simply earning a commission from recommending a product or service. But knowing what affiliate marketing is not the same thing as knowing how to make money with it. Because the truth is, you can be an affiliate marketer and still make zero sales. So the real question becomes, what actually turns affiliate marketing into income? Let's break it down. The first thing you need to understand is this. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they trust. This is why someone can post the same product link as you, but they make sales and you don't, because their audience trusts their voice. Trust can come from sharing helpful information, showing your journey, explaining things clearly, answering questions. Over time, people begin to see you as someone who understands what you're talking about. And when people trust you, they are more likely to buy from you. I have a quick question for you, as always. Do you usually buy things online from random people or from the people that you actually trust and follow? Be honest. Second thing you need to make money with affiliate marketing is traffic. Traffic simply means people seeing your content or your offer. Because if nobody sees you, nobody buys. And traffic can come from many places. It can come from TikTok, it can come from Instagram, it can come from YouTube, it can come from WhatsApp, even referrals from friends. The important thing is that people are discovering you. But here is something many beginners miss. Traffic alone is not enough. You also need something else. You need leads. Let me tell you something very important. Views are good, but views are not the same thing as leads. A lead is someone who has shown interest and giving you a way to contact them. For example, someone who joins your WhatsApp group, or someone who sends you a DM, or someone who signs up for your webinar, or someone who joins your email list. That person is no longer just a random viewer. They are now inside your world. And this is where real business starts. Because now, you can answer their questions directly, you can guide them directly, and you can help them make a buying decision immediately and one-on-one. Many people don't buy the first time they see an offer. They need time, they need explanation, they need clarity. That's why follow-up is so important. When someone joins your WhatsApp class or attends your free class, that's not the end. That's actually the beginning of the conversation. You follow up, you answer questions, and you provide clarity. And that's usually when the sales start happening. This is exactly what happened when I made my first 5 affiliate sales. The first person bought from me after the class, not before the class. But the other 4 came after following up. So you need to follow up. People don't always buy immediately. Another thing you need to understand about affiliate marketing is that results compound over time. The more content you create, the more people discover you. The more people discover you, the more leads you generate. The more leads you generate, the more sales opportunity you have. It's a simple chain reaction, but it only works if you stay consistent. Many people stop too early. That's their problem. They try for 1 week, 2 weeks, then they quit, not realizing that they were very close to momentum. So, if we simplify everything we talked about in this video, making money with affiliate marketing usually follows a process. 1, people discover your content. 2, some of them become leads. 3, you build trust and provide value. 4, you guide them towards the product. 5, some of them buy. 6, you earn a commission. And that's the cycle. And once you understand the cycle, affiliate marketing starts to make sense. It has to make a lot of sense to you. Now, here's the interesting thing. This system has worked for thousands of people, not because they were lucky, but because they followed a process. And when you follow a proven process long enough, the results eventually start showing up. So the real question is not, can affiliate marketing work? The real question is, are you willing to follow the process long enough? Now, if you watch this video and you're thinking, okay, this makes sense, but I still need someone to guide me step by step, then I have something for you. I'm hosting a free WhatsApp class where I'll walk you through exactly how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner and make your first 150K within the first 90 days. In that class, I'll show you how to pick the right product to promote, how to generate your first leads, how to make your first sales, how to create viral videos, and a whole lot more. If that sounds like something you want to learn, you can join the class using the link in my pinned comment. As I time of making this video, we currently have about 200 people in our class. Once the class gets to 300, we'll hold our next class. And class usually fills up very fast, so make sure you secure your spots early. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting more helpful videos on affiliate marketing and other things. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the class.